Hey guys, welcome back. Forgive me, it's been way too long, but let's just forget the whole thing and jump right back in and let me show you what's new over on entertainmember.com. So many fun things. I'm excited about all the new files, but one in particular, it's the pencil box. You guys, I'm obsessed. Upload it, download it, then upload it into Cricut Design Space. Size it to your liking. Cut it out and let your imagination run wild. I'm obsessed with this precision craft glue by Barely Art, especially for these types of crafts. It is not clumpy at all. I did use my Surebonder glue gun in the end, but for the whole assembly, I used the Barely Art. If you guys haven't tried it out, you guys are missing out. Seriously, it's the best for little details. As soon as I saw this pencil box, I knew exactly what I wanted to do. If you guys are coming from Instagram, then you know my pencils. I was inspired by them, of course. Okay, you guys, let me just stop talking. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe. If you haven't already, let us know down in the comments below if you guys try this pencil box. If you forgive me for taking such a long time and uploading a video. Either way, let us know. And if you do create this pencil box, please tag us. I would love to see what you guys come up with. There's so many fun ideas. Hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you in the next video. Okay guys, there you have it. How cute is this pencil box? I mean, throw in a gift card, some chocolates, and it's the perfect appreciation gift for your favorite teacher. She will be obsessed. If you guys like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I will see you later.